Hey friends, a lot of users are asking me that is there any way you can adjust volume in Google Chrome tabs separately, like not using the volume mixer of the system that is for Google Chrome as an application amongst tabs in Google Chrome. So well, you can do it through a third-party software product called Volume Master, and I will help you with this. Open Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, and click on View Chrome Web Store. Now search for Volume Master and hit enter. Go to Volume Master and click on Add to Chrome and then select Add Extensions. Let it be added. You'll find the extension here. And then you can increase or decrease volume for Chrome. So I strongly recommend not pushing it beyond 100%. And then you can also change the volume for specific tabs using the same software, using this software. So for that, there needs to be multiple tabs playing some of the other volume. I will play a video here. Okay, and then I'll play another video here. Okay, let's see if they are appearing in volume master. Okay, then you can change the volume of these tabs. So yes, you can use this tool to change the adjust the volume separately. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.